ॐ ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कम् गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तम् भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल्मुरुगनक हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकाया त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहास स्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गा गीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम् आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम् चोटानिकर भगवति अम्मये शरणम् नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We have finished first 85 dashakams, and the last 15 dashakams journey we will begin. So today we'll directly start with the 86th dashakam. 86th dashakam. And the meter we have seen before, Sraddhara meter, 777. And throughout it is not changing in this dashaka. So with same tune, we will go ahead and hopefully we can complete it. And not only this, we can complete the next one also. Hopefully, let us see. Because when the paragraphs get bigger, the time to chant also takes long. Let's start, my dear kids. Hariyo Malika, all set? Ready? So in this 86th dashakam, we are seeing Salvadi Vadha Varnanam, Bharata Yuddha Varnanam cha, and Sraddhara meter. Salvo Bhaishmi Vivahe Yadubala Vijitas Chandra Chudad Vimanam.
साल्वो भैष्मी विवाहे यदुबलविजितश्चन्द्रचूडाद्विमानम्
विन्दन् सौभं समायी त्वयि वसति कुरुस्त्वत्पुरीमभ्यभाङ्क्षी
विन्दन् सौभं समायी त्वयि वसति कुरु त्वत्पुरीमभ्यभाङ्क्षी साल्वो
Okay. Kurustvatpurimabhyabhangshit. That line you say again.
विन्दन् सौभं समायी त्वयि वसति कुरु त्वत्पुरीमभ्यभाङ्क्षी
Let her do it.
No, you can continue.
Okay, do it, darling, do.
No.
Do both the lines together, do it.
साल्वो भैष्मी विवाहे यदुबलविजितश्चन्द्रचूडाद्विमानम् विन्दन् सौभं समायी त्वयि वसति कुरु त्वत्पुरीमभ्यभाङ्क्षी.
So kurumstvat. There is one anuswara on ru and sakara is also there. Okay. Pradyumnastannirundhan nikhilayadubhatairnyagrahi You want me to break 777 or you are able to do the whole?
I am able to do that.
Oh, awesome. So proud of you.
प्रद्युम्नस्तं निरुन्धन्निखिलयदुभटैर्यग्रही दुर्गवीर्यं
Nyagrahi dugraviryam.
न्यग्रही दुग्रवीर्यं.
So it's Nyagrahit and Ugraviryam. Tasyamatyandyumantam vyajani cha samaras saptavimshatyahantah.
तस्यामात्यन्द्युमन्तं व्यजने च समरः सप्तविंशत्यान्तः.
What you do the two lines, Pradyumnastam, do the two lines, and then you go for the full, then only there will be a completion of the pattern. Pradyumnastam, from there you do the 2 lines.
प्रद्युम्नस्तन्निरुन्धन्निखिलयदुभटैर्यग्रहीदुर्दुग्रवीर्यं तस्यामात्यं द्युमन्तं व्यजनि च समरः सप्तविंशत्यहान्तः सालो भैष्मी
Arjun, let her do
विवाहे
her on her own. No, Arjun, let her do. Don't prompt anything. Let her do on her own.
साल्वो भैष्मी विवाहे यदुबलविजितश्चन्द्रचूडाद्विमानं विन्दन् सौभं समायी त्वयि वसति कुरु त्वत्पुरीमभ्यभाङ्क्षीत् प्रद्युम्नस्तन्निरुन्धन्निखिलयदुभटैर्यग्रहीदुर्ग्रवीर्यम् तस्यामात्यं द्युमन्तं व्यजनि च समरः सप्तविंशत्यहान्तः.
So, very good. Excellent, my dear. So, now what has happened? Salvaha. Now, this story is coming up. Bhaishmi Vivaha is Rukmini's wedding. Okay. So, during that time, Yadubala Vijitaha. Yadubala is Yadavas. With the Yadava strength, Salva Vijitaha. Salva was defeated by Yadubala's strength. Okay. And how this Salva has done what? Chandrachudat Panchami. From Chandrachuda means from Shiva. He has prayed and he has won from Lord Shiva what? Vimanam. He has got one Vimanam. One aeroplane he has got. And Vindan he has got. Means he got Vimanam. And that Vimanam's name is Saubham. Okay. Who has got? Salva has got it by praying through, praying to Lord Shiva. He has got this. And what he has done, he has Mai. Mai is, he is having some mysterious powers. Okay. And that time, Tvai Vasati Kurum. So now Bhattatari ji is saying, you were residing in the Kuru, where means Lord was not over here. Lord was not in this place. Lord was in Hastinapur. And what did he do? Tvai Vasati Kurum, Tvatpurim Abhyabhangshi. In your place, means Lord's place is what? Dwaraka. Abhyabhangshitas he attacked. So when Lord was not there, and then during the time when Rukmini's marriage and all was happening, and Lord was now in Hastinapur, that time this Salva, who has got defeated by Yadu army, but by praying to Lord Shiva, he's got one Saubham named aeroplane, and with his magical powers and all, now he has attacked Dwaraka. Okay, this is the first 2 lines. Now coming to the 3rd line, Pradyumnaha. So now Pradyumna is holding the fort in Dwaraka. Lord is not there. Nirundhan. So he has stopped the attack. He is able to resist the attack. Nikhila Yadu Bhattaihi Nyagrahit. Nikhila Yadu Bhattaihi and Ugra. So he has with all, Nikhila is complete. With all his army, Yadu Bhattaihi, what he has? Tasmat Tasya Amatyam Dyumantam. So, Amatya is a minister. So, Salva's minister, he has killed. Who? Pradyumna has managed somehow to kill Salva's minister, whose name is Dyuman. And this Samaraha, this battle, Vyajani, was going on for Saptavyumshati Ahani. For 27 days, the battle is going on. After so much, he was managed to kill the minister, who? Pradyumna. So Pradyumna is resisting. Lord is not there in Dwaraka. Salva has attacked Dwaraka. साल्वो भैष्मी विवाहे यदुबलविजितश्चन्द्रचूडाद्विमानम् विन्दन् सौभं समायी त्वयि वसति कुरुंस wakara of the anuswara and sakara also has to come. कुरुंस्त्वत्पुरीमभ्यभाक्षी प्रद्युम्नस्तन्निरुन्धन् निखिलयदुभटैर्न्यग्रहीदुग्रवीर्यम् तस्यामात्यन्द्युमन्तं व्यजनि च समरः सप्तविंशत्यहान्त्य 27 days vyajani it was happening. Okay, Arjuna, ready? Second one. तावत्त्वं रामशाली त्वरितमुपगतः खण्डितप्रायसे सैन्यम्
तावत्त्वं
Also
रामशाली
giving you now. You prompted her, now she is prompting you. I like this. Wow, Anika.
तावत्त्वं रामशाली त्वरितमुपगतः खण्डितप्रायसैन्यम्
सौभेशन्तन्यरुन्धा स च किल गदया शार्ङ्गमभ्रंशयत्ते. There, you took her book away. Now she's coming from other side, and how we will chant. I'm very sure your mom is not there in the house. She's gone out, right?
No, she's there.
Okay, she doesn't know. That means what is happening over here. I thought she left Anika under your care, and now the things are gone. Okay, let's have the class today. The chapter is very big. Hey, Bhagwan, you come now to my rescue. Go ahead.
सौभेशन्तन्यरुन्धाः स च किल गदया शार्ङ्गमभ्रंशयत्ते
मायातातं व्यहिंसीदपि तव पुरतस्तत्त्वयापि क्षणार्धम्
मायातातं व्यहिंसीदपि तव पुरतस्तत्त्वयापि क्षणार्धम्
नाज्ञायीत्याहुरेके तदिदमवमतं व्यास एव न्यषेधीत्.
नाज्ञायीत्याहुरेके तदिदमवमतं व्यास एव न्यषेधीय सैन्यं सौभेशन्तन्यरुन्धाः स च किल गदया शार्ङ्गमभ्रंशयत्ते मायातातं व्यहिंसीदपि तव पुरतस्तत्त्वया क्षणार्धं व्यास एव न्यषेधीत्.
What has happened over there today, Yala? In some playful mood in the class, which are having such big paragraphs, we have to continue, no? Anish is going to join, right? Hariom, am I audible? Today
For a
we
while,
have
it was distorted.
No, from morning the power was not there. It has just come before the class. It was all going with the backup only on the inverter. But because they said it will come only at 10 o'clock. But again and again, I think that voltage issue and things, there is a disruption in the whole thing. We will see how it goes. I think today's mood is little different. The class is getting difficult. Let us see. Tavat, that time. Tvam, you, Ramashali. Ramashali, Balram, with Balrama. Twaritam, very quickly, Upagataha. You went back to Dwaraka, you reached over there. And Khandita Prayasainyam means Prayasainyam, or most of the army. Prayasainyam, most of the army of who? Salva, Khanditam, was destroyed anyways. That time, Saubhesham Tam. So, Saubha is that Vimana. Saubhesha means the one who is the Isha of the Saubha, of that means the one who is owner of that Vimana is who? Salva. That time, Saubhesham Tam, to that Salva, the one who is with that Vimana, with the Saubha Vimana, Nyarundhaha, you confronted. And Saha cha Gadaya, third case, with his Gada, with his mace, Sharangam Abhramshayate. Your Sharanga, with his Gada, he Abhramshayat. He struck his Gada. Bhagwan Sharanga, Salva struck with Salva's Gada. Okay. And then what does he do? Maya Tatam. Tatam is father. Maya Tatam. He made Lord's father by a magic and Vyahimsit. And he killed who? The father's image that he created with the illusion. Salva killed it. Tava Purataha. In front of you only he did. And Tvayapi Kshanartham. So Kshanartham means it was happening so fast. It happened so very quickly. Na Adnyayi. It was not understood. Na Adnyayi. It was not understood. Iti Ahuhu Eke. Some people say like that Lord also got confused. His father is killed in front of, in that. So some people say that it confused Lord Salva's magical powers. Tadidam avamatam. So this kind of a story, this avamatam, this kind of a story, Vyasa eva nyashedhi. Vyas Maharaj Ji has nyashed, means he has rejected it out front that this has not happened, that how Lord will get confused with Salva's magical power. So people talk like that, but that is not true. Vyasji has only corrected it or rejected that this has not happened. Okay. Tavatvam Ramashali Tvaritamupagata Khandita Praya Sainyam Saubheshantanyarundha Sachakila Gadaya Shargam Abhramshayate Maya Tatam Vyahimsida Pitava Puratas Tatvaya Pikshanardham Gnayityahure tadidamavamatam vyasa evanyashedhi. See, for 2 verses, it has taken so long. Anish, ready? You are not between those two fighting.
No.
You are different. You don't fight. Or you also be playful.
No, I do fight, but not enough.
That's such an honest answer. Okay. It is settled or they are fighting still somewhere over there? They settled?
Yes. Yes.
Let's go ahead. Number 3. Kshiptva saubhangadachurnitamudakanidhau Mangshu salvepi. Chakrenotkrute, we cannot break. So chakrena utkrute. So what we will do? We will do till nidhau, and Mangshu salve will take it with the next line. Kshiptva saubhangadachurnitamudakanidhau.
क्षिप्त्वा सौभङ्गदाचूर्णितमुदकनिधौ
Mangshu salvepi chakrenotkrute dantavaktrah prasabhamabhipatan abhyamunchad gadante. Let me just break it. Chakrenotkrute dantavaktrah prasabhamabhipatan abhyamunchat gadante. Okay. Mangshu salvepi chakre notkrute dantavaktra. Aha. Sanidhau. Mangshu salvepi chakre notkrute dantavaktra prasabham abhipatan abhyamunchat gadante.
मंशु साल्वेऽपि चक्रे मंशु साल्वेऽपि चक्रे नोत्कृत्ते दन्तवक्त्रः प्रसभमभिपतन्नभ्यमुञ्चद्गदान्ते.
Excellent. कौमोदक्याहतोऽसावपि सुकृतनिधेश्चैद्यवत्प्रापदैक्यम्.
कौमोदक्या हतोऽसोऽपि सुकृतनिधिश्चैद्यवत्प्रापदैक्यम्.
सर्वेषामेष पूर्वं त्वयि धृतमनसां मोक्षणार्थोऽवतारः.
सर्वेषामेष पूर्वं त्वयि धृतमनसां मोक्षणार्थोऽवतारः. क्षिप्त्वा सौभङ्गताचूर्णितमुदकनिधौ मंशु साल्वेऽपि चक्रेणोत्कृत्ते दन्तवक्त्रः प्रसभमभिपतन्नभ्यमुञ्चद्गदान्ते. कौमोदक्या हतोऽसोऽपि सुकृतनिधिश्चैद्यवत्प्रापदैक्यम्. सर्वेषामेष पूर्वं त्वयि धृतमनसां मोक्षणार्थोऽवतारः.
Excellent, excellent, Anish. I like your pitch. Very nice. All three of them. Okay, so now what happens? Kriptva saubham. Having put saubha, that vimana, and gada churnita, powdered churnita, crushed with the gada, with the mace, udaka nidhau, the one which is having repository of water, that means in the ocean, in that, Kshiptva was thrown. So, Saubham was Gada Churnita and Udaka Nidhau Kshiptva, having thrown the plane into, crushing the plane and thrown it in the ocean. Mangshu, immediately, Salve api chakrena utkrutte. Salva was immediately chakrena, by the chakra, he was beheaded. Okay. Then this Dantavaktra prasabham abhipatan abhyamunchat gadante. So this Dantavaktra was prasabham abhipatan. Very ferociously he was attacking the Lord. And for him also, what has happened? Abhyamunchat gadante. With his gada, abhyamunchat. Lord has hit the gada and he was killed. With what? With the he was hitting Lord with his gada, and Lord is hitting with Lord's gada, and that gada's name is Kaumodaki. So Kaumodakya, third case. By that Kaumodi, Hataha Asau Api. This one was also killed. this Vimana, not Pushpaka, the Saubha Vimana is crushed and thrown into the sea. Salva is beheaded with Lord's Chakra. Seeing that Dantavaktra is vehemently attacking the Lord with his Gada, then Lord with his Kaumodaki. This one, Dantavaktra is also killed. But difference over here now. Sukruta Nidhi. So there is some Sukruta Nidhi. There is a baggage of Sukruta. He is having a baggage of Sukruta. That's why Chaidyatvat Prapadaikyam. So with Chaidyavat is Chedi Raja. Who was that? Chedi Raja. Shishupala. So like Shishupala, Prapat Aikyam. He got Aikya with the Lord because of his Sukruta Nidhi. Sarvesham esha purvam tai. So all of this, all of those purvam, before Tvai dhruta manasa, from long before they are thinking of the Lord, their mind is fixed on the Lord. So for their mokshanarthaha, for the reason of their moksha, for their liberation only, this avatara has happened. Mokshanartha avatara. They have fixed their mind on Lord, whether out of love or out of hatred, they are thinking of the Lord. And so when Lord kills them means they have become one with the Lord. So it's this killing means it's not gone and dusted forever. They get liberation through hands of the Lord. So even in so much of papa, what they have done is thought of the Lord, even if out of hatred. And if they came to attack the Lord, of course, the Lord is going to vanquish them only. So whom to forgive, whom not to forgive, it's depending upon what is the intention behind that action, how much papi are there. We always get this. Oh, the terrorists must. Hari Om. So how much of it's heard? I was keeping on talking something. What was the last sentence that you all could hear?
It's quite a bit, I think. I mean, we heard about how, like Shishupala, he also, Dantavakra also.
Did you hear about the terrorist thing that I was talking?
No.
So I finished that story. So many times now we have this, that the terrorists are also human beings and then they also have to be forgiven. This kind of a thing won't work. Okay. So whether this Chedi Raja, whether this Dantavaktara, whether this Salva, out of what reason they have attacked and how many times they have attacked and what is the intention. And now there is no respite but to kill them. So one is beheaded, one is crushed. Okay. So our scriptures only tell that if we have to stand for dharma, we have to stand for dharma. So as a Hindus, we should not have that confusion in the mind. Most of the Hindus have, because I see it over here in this part of the world, in the Kerala of the world. But we will have to have what side which side we have to do, and up to a certain anger only forgiveness can happen. Beyond that, we'll have to take the action. And this we can see in this war and this terrorists and this Pahalgam and things and all. When a civilian is attacked, the retaliation is chosen on the terrorist camp only. So you have killed my so many civilians, I can also kill your civilians, and it can't be a mindless war. So what is shown is again calculated attack. So if a calculation can attack only on a certain air bases, certain terrorist camp, that means if a wanted can attack civilians also. That is not done. So again, it is by dharma. So what we see what our scriptures say and what we see now, we'll have to correlate. The Rakshasa need not have two horns and big teeth, and that is a Rakshasa. This is also a way to see the adharma and see how the Lord has chosen. And after that, it is, you don't hold a grudge throughout. After that, it is finished. After that, the business should happen. But you should first finish that. So it won't be forever. Because they have again gone and melted in Lord only. So our teachings teach us so, our scriptures teach us so much that we have to imbibe and get it from. Let's go ahead. If one more time my connection goes, then we will think whether we are continuing or not. There is a lot of gap happening. श्रुत्वा सौभङ्गदाचूर्णितमुदकनिधौ मंशुसाल्वेऽपि चक्रेणोत्कृत्ते दन्तवक्त्रः प्रसभमभिपतन्नभ्यमुञ्चत् गदान्ते कौमोदक्या हतोऽसावपि सुकृतनिधिश्चैद्यवत्रापदैक्यम् सर्वेषामेष पूर्वं त्वयि धृतमनसाम् मोक्षणार्थोऽवतारः. Prahlad is there. Adults can raise hands. Lataji. Number 4. त्वय्यायातेऽथ जाते किल कुरु सदसि. सदसि is द्वित्वा. त्वय्यायातेऽथ जाते किल कुरु सदसि द्यूतके संयतायाः.
त्वय्यायातेऽथ जाते किल कुरु सदसि द्यूतके संयतायाः.
क्रन्दन्त्यायाज्ञसेन्याः सकरुणमकृताश्चेलमालामनन्ताम्.
क्रन्दन्त्यायाज्ञसेन्याः सकरुणमकृताश्चेलमालामनन्ताम्.
अन्नान्तप्राप्तशर्वांशजमुनिचकित द्रौपदी चिन्तितोऽथ.
अन्नान्तप्राप्तशर्वांशजमुनिचकित द्रौपदी चिन्तितोऽथ.
प्राप्तः शाकान्नमश्नन् मुनिगणमकृथास्तृप्तिमन्तं वनान्ते.
प्राप्तः शाकान्नमश्नन् मुनिगणमकृथास्तृप्तिमन्तं वनान्ते. त्वय्यायातेऽथ जाते किल कुरु सदसि द्यूतके संयतायाः. क्रन्दन्त्यायाज्ञसेन्याः सकरुणमकृताश्चेलमालामनन्ताम्. अन्नान्तप्राप्तशर्वांशजमुनिचकित द्रौपदी चिन्ततोऽथ. प्राप्तः शाकानमश्नन् मुनिगणमकृथास्तृप्तिमन्तं वनान्ते.
So now, two stories, two instances have been woven in this verse, two leelas of Lord. So let's see one by one. Tvai ayate atha. That is the sandhi. Okay. Tvai ayate atha. Atha means after that. Now Lord has gone back to Dwaraka and all this has happened. So after that, what has happened? Ayate, when you had gone. When you had gone means when you had gone to Dwaraka. From where? From Hastinapur, Lord has gone to Dwaraka, right? Then, that time, jate, tvai ayate jate, when you had gone. So when Saptami is used like this, it is Satta Saptami, that when this happened, then this happened. When you have to say when and then. So this ayate jate, when you had gone that time. Kuru Sadasi. Kuru Sadasi, in Kurus, Kurus, that what we say, in the King Sabha, in that Sabha of the Kuru, Dyutake. So simply, Dyuta is that game of dice, but Dyuta and Dyutaka means it is not correct way. It is a very fraud way of the dice had happened in this Kuru Sabha, in Kuru Sadhasi. And that time, Krandantyaha, the one who is crying, Yajnasenyaha is of Draupadi, Rajnasenyaha. Like Devakyaha, Nadyaha, Ikaranta Shashti. So of Draupadi who is crying, that time Sakaruna with compassion. Akrutaha, what you have done, what you did, Akrutaha, you did. Chela Malam Anantam. When Draupadi was dragged, Sanyatayaha, oh, that word I have missed. Sanyatayaha. Sanyatayaha is dragging by hair, and when she was crying, that time you gave her Anantam Chela Mala. Chela is cloth. Chela is cloth, and that mala means endless supply of the vastra you had given. When Draupadi's disrobed word is not used over here, but it only Sanyatayaha word is used that she was dragged that time, dragged by hair. This is one prasanga, this is one leela that Lord had given Ananta Vastra for her. In the second leela, Annanta, Anna Anta, Anna is food, Anta. When the food had finished, Praptaha Sharvamshaja Muni. So when this Sharvamshaja Muni, this Sharvamsha is Shiva's Amshas, when Muni reached, who is that Muni? That Muni is that Durvasa. Okay. He reached where? To Draupadi. And that time in her house, the food has finished. Chintitaha atha. And she was worried. She was frightened that a Muni has come and now definitely he's going to put some curse. Ananta, there is no food. So that time, Shakanam Ashnan. See the last line, second word. Shakanna. So Shakanam Ashnan. So some small morsel of some leaf. Shaka is a leaf. That was there somewhere left over. God alone knows what it could be. Maybe a curry leaf was left or some part, some small morsel was left. Ashnan. You ate it. Lord ate it. That time, Muni Ganam Akruthaha Truptim Anantavanante. Means in the forest, in the time of that forest, so when Draupadi was not having food, that time Lord ate this Shaka piece and all the Muni Ganas were Truptihi, Truptimantam. Truptimanta, like how we have Buddhimanta. Like that Truptimanta, they became very contented. They actually didn't get food. But Lord ate that little bit shaka piece, that little bit leaf was there, and whole of the Muniganas, they were satisfied. They got contented. Okay. Anything was missed? Was I not audible in between because the camera was frozen?
After Triptimanta.
Like Buddhimanta, I said. So the one who has Buddhimanta, we say, right? So like a Truptimanta, the one who is having, so all the Muniganas got Trupti by Lord eating the Shakan. Okay, clear? I'm not sure whether, am I audible? Am I audible? Hari Om.
Too much.
Hari Om, am I audible? Oh my God. Okay. So I think we can stop over here. It's not happening. Hari Om. I think we can stop over here. The connection is extremely bad because it's raining heavily.
Hear you.
Yeah. The connection
We
is
can hear
really
you
bad.
now, Varsha.
Yeah, but I think we will stop. There will be that flow is missing, and it's been missing since the start of the class. Hari Om.
We can hear you, Varsha.
Okay. वैयायातेऽथ जाते किल कुरु सदसिद्युतके संयतायाः क्रन्दन्त्या याज्ञसेन्यास करुणमकृताश्चेलमालामनन्ता अन्नान्तप्राप्त शर्वांश जमुनिचकितद्रौपदी चिन्तितोऽथ प्राप्तः शाकान्नमश्नन् मुनिगणमकृतास्तृप्तिमन्तं वनान्ते. I think we will stop over here. We'll continue tomorrow because the flow is lost and that joy of it is not coming. So Shanti mantras have to be good. Participation in the class has to be serious. Discipline has to be there. Then all things, all these vignas don't affect, even if it would drain or power is going on. But if there is distractions from beginning, it will continue a distraction. That's why we always say that sankalpa, what we hold, how we participate, how we sit, how we dress and come, everything is calculated. We sit in nighty and this and that, talk to somebody, eat something, switch off the cam, drink one chai. Is that it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work. So many days we also had connection issues, but we would bounce back. But today, from beginning, the big distraction. So let it be His will again, we will have to submit to, and we'll continue tomorrow. Never mind, whatever He wishes. I'll announce the Iknati Bhagavatam will also not happen because there also in that 20 minutes we'll be struggling. And am I audible? Am I audible? I'll be asking 100 times. Never mind, God's will. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Hari Om everyone. I'm so sorry for this bad internet connection.
Hari Om, Varsha.
Hari Om.
No worries.
Hari Om.
Today was for us. And we would sit like 2 hours today.
I also came prepared and I said I'm not available till 8 o'clock. I'm not available. I said because after this, and I said don't call. That thing is going to happen. It doesn't matter now. God has some other plans. That would also be a good plan. I had not posted my verse before the class. So now I will post. Then I don't have to wait 2 hours. So those who are what is happening, y'all should join this Narayaniam memorizing thing. So some thought had come. We have to post one verse by reading 10 times. And only thing is the gap between the two should be 1 hour. Not like you sit for 10 minutes and done everything. So now that becomes a challenge because sometimes you forget, sometimes you are engaged, sometimes it's not possible. Those who are in office, they are stuck. Those who are gone somewhere else, they're stuck. Then the day finishes. And the 10 points is like one challenge. So that's good discipline is needed. So now I'll go into that. And those who have yet not joined Narayaniam memorization group, join and enjoy the fun challenge also over there.
Yeah, you can use that because I will not bought fresh milk. I'll buy tomorrow.
Okay,
Oh,
so
it
this is
does.
all is happening today, you know, all the fresh milk and all is coming, pouring, everything. Okay, chalo, hurry up.
Hari Om, Varsha.
Hariom.
Wait, Varsha, I have a suggestion. I mean, since it's all broken, you can stop the recording. Maybe we can do a couple of parayanas. I don't know if that's everybody's
Going
okay.
to be- No, if Parayanam continuity is there, then the class can be taken, right?
True.
I can make a host somebody and I can exit and you can hold the space because holding me in the space is this connection issue. That is the thing.
True. Yeah, no, I agree. No, it's okay. It's just the thought, but that's good. We'll go practice now. Good. It's
Yeah.
important that we have to practice.
Yes.
Chance for everyone who hasn't been practicing all the other dashikams, please practice. We haven't held the practice sessions at all, so I'm hoping we're almost up to 86 now. So hopefully everyone is practicing.
I was thinking today 87, 88, 86 and 87 and then tomorrow 88, 89. You know, that thrill of getting into that 90th and 91st where all the Vedanta then would begin. But Lord is making us wait to see how much mukshata we have, the desire of, you know, learning that and that. So we should hold on that something. Tomorrow we'll join and we'll pray. Let the Shanti mantras go nicely. Let everything go nicely. Let all these difficulties you should take care of. Okay. So let's end today's session. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Varsha.
Namaste, Ji. Thank you.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om ji. Thank you.